Yo, what's good? So today so far, small session, 10 trades, $315. Usually, like I said, I'm in the mix usually between, 380 something plus, 500, $600 a day. And a lot of times I go over, sometimes I go over to two, $3,000 a day, depending on how I feel, but that's really all I need in the markets uh for my lifestyle. Like I don't really gotta have a whole bunch every single day to live the kind of lifestyle I want. And so you just got to find out what's your freedom number. What's going to be your number that's going to have you not working a job, that's going to have you be able to travel and pay your bills. Like, what number is that for you? You know what I'm saying? Once you figure that out, then it's all up in the air from there, man. It's go time. All right. So you already know we mark up charts. I already pretty much marked this one up on the N15. I might do a couple more trades here uh, and just see where we going. Right now, we looking like we still heading up. It is Monday, so you got to be a little careful with this. But it look like we about to start weakening here pretty soon. Now, if you ever trade with these Hakanashi candles, a couple things you want to look for. All right, flat bottoms, y'all. Flat bottoms is the go. You see how some of these got wicks on top and bottom, and then you go flat, 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 flat. When you start getting those, that's a good indication that the momentum is going in that direction for you. So that way you'll know. All right. See, this next candle just formed. Let's see what this next candle does. If this next candle retraces and forms a wick here, then we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go back down or for a little bit and maybe go back up. But if it stays flat, we're gonna continue to go up. My bad, y'all. If I sound a little funny, my little my wisdom tooth is messing up, so I'm gonna have to get pulled pretty sure in the future. But yeah, let me see. Trying to see if I want to buy up, but I'm basing it off of what this next candle is going to do. You know what I'm saying? It's already an uptrend, so that's what I'm looking to do. I'm going to go ahead and buy here for my first entry. Reason why I'm buying, it's an uptrend. If you look back on the Keltner channel, not saying this is going to happen all the time, but if you look back on the Keltner channel, it's been sticking right here at the middle. So usually bounces or go a little bit below the middle and goes back up. All right. And so I'm just following that pattern too. So I'm buying right now, and it's close to the zigzag. I told you anytime we get close to that zigzag, then usually we want to connect it a little later on. So as long as we don't got no crazy rejection or retracement, we're good. We still got flat bottom. So that's kind of letting us know that we in the game. But we'll see, because he's starting to retrace a little bit. 17 seconds left. And like I said, man, all this is textbook stuff, y'all. Now, like I said, if this one don't go, I'll double up. All right, we're starting to retrace. And let's see what we do now. Now it's forming a wick here. So my next logical thing, now I gotta wait. This is the best thing about Hakanashi candles, because it can kind of let you know exactly what's going on. Now I'm looking for a bounce somewhere in here if it continues down. All right, they gave me a red flat. All right, so now we flat. Now it's time to start selling. Sell here. All right. And the reason why I'm selling, we got that flat bottom. We starting to push down. All right. Like I told you before, y'all, normally the market bounces in here, but I could tell it's starting to get tired. You know what I'm saying? Because we're reaching the top of this Keltner channel. I could tell the market's starting to get tired. This next candle is going to basically determine the direction. We got 23 seconds here. This next candle, if this next candle form red flat, then we're going to probably push down to maybe this area here, this zone right here. So let's go ahead and mark that up. All right, let's mark this up right here. I always tell y'all the market just goes from zone to zone. So, yeah, we got another red flat. All right, 4, 3, 2, 1. It gave me 2 of them. I'm going to continue to sell again, though, only because we got another flat bottom. So I'm thinking we're going to come down to about right here, somewhere around in this zone right here, y'all. Because like I said, it's from zone to zone, so it ain't quite reached that zone yet. So I'm thinking we're gonna go again. All right. This is how I trade, y'all, every day. I mean, I do a bunch of different variations of it, but I mean, the more, strategies you got, the more you can, mix and match your stuff. You know what I'm saying? So right now I'm just trading strictly off Hakanashi and kind of using the Keltner to monitor where the market usually turns around at, which the next zone would be this one right here. It want to connect again. Boom, just connected again. Now I got another flat bottom, and we're gonna connect again. Boom, just connected again. 6, 5, 4, and we won this trade easy money. You see what I'm saying? So, trading Hakanashi is dope. I mean, it kind of really visually gets you to the point where you could see the trades. So if you're still wondering what the heck I'm talking about or what happened, first you can go here. These are Hakanashi candles. Again, flat bottoms. All right. 1 flat bottom, 2 flat bottom, 3 flat bottoms. Now, we got down here to where it potentially could turn around at. If it continues, it's just going to go to the next zone. If not, it's going to retrace and go back up. All right, because we got another small zone here that it could potentially hit if it continues down. Boom. Let me show you. We continue down here. It's another zone that could turn around at because now we will be looking to buy. You know what I'm saying? If it passes this zone, and the reason why we still will be looking to buy on this is because it's an uptrend. You know what I'm saying? You see the trend been going up forever, y'all. So that's why we're looking. But look, 1 flat bottom does not always mean that it's gonna go, but it is a good indication that hey, we gonna go. You know what I'm saying? But it don't always mean that. But you got 1 flat bottom here, another flat bottom, then this one kind of, got indecisive. But for the most part, when that flat bottom form, because sometimes you'll have a bunch of these with wicks on both sides, like you'll have boom, 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 right? And then as soon as you get that flat bottom, then we going boom. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of how I trade Hakanashi candles. And like I said, if this continues to go down again, if it passes the zone that I'm at now, it's just gonna go down to the next zone. So we might end up going into this shadow box. And from the shadow box is probably the best entry for a buy. You know what I mean? If we're gonna buy. So that kind of give you an indication of what we're looking at. Now we're at 560 for the day. That looks really good to me. That's all I need. You feel me? And yeah. So hopefully, this video helps you understand some things. This is where we pretty much about to turn around. I should get in again. I should definitely get in it one more time, bro. I think I should. What y'all think? Should I get in again? Let's see here. I might do it. I might pull the trigger on it. I'm gonna wait just a second though. I want to see what this candle do, y'all. Let me see if I want to get in. If this next candle push down here to this box, I might go ahead and get in. If it don't, then you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that's Hakanashi, y'all. I mean, this is self-explanatory, really. Like again, if the market is an uptrend and you mark your zones up correctly, or you use the Keltner channel. I told you I use the Keltner channel to back test, so this what helps me see. We always bounce in the middle, go up. We always bounce in the middle, go up. When it broke through, it just broke structure, right? So now we headed down, but we got to pull back. You know what I'm saying? So if this one shoots down here to this box, I may go ahead and get in again. Because I think it may want to. If not, I still may get in, but I don't know. You know what I mean? This is just what, I'm looking at. Patience is a virtue. You dig? Patience is a virtue. 17 trades, not bad, big fella. All right, what we looking like? He looking like he want to push. Let's see. I got 10 seconds on this candle, and then we're gonna see if we get a flat, or green flat, or what. Cause we looking like that. Could be a fake out, so we got to be careful. It's flat right now, but it could easily retrace and not be flat. So let's see. It's indecisive. Don't really know what it want to do yet. Still got a lot of time. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in on on one of these and see what happens. You know what I'm saying? If this one goes, y'all, then cool. I could have doubled and tripled up on it. But if not, I ain't tripping. I'ma just wait again. You know what I'm saying? 40 seconds remaining. Now this next candle, I feel like it still want to go down some, honestly, if I'm just looking at it. I feel like it want to go connect again. And if it do, I smack them over the head. We got another flat, so we might be straight. We got a flat now. And we green, baby. You want to push or no? You want to push or no, bro? Yeah, we got that easy money. Stop playing me. Bop. Yeah, and there we go. So, again, you saw it. This candle right here, at the last few seconds, decided it wanted to be indecisive. Have a wick at the top and the bottom. The next candle form, flat, bottom, hopped in on a cool 1 minute buy, and boom. You know what I'm saying? Now, like I said, if this broke structure, then that means that we could potentially come here, about right in here, and then start heading back down this way. You know? But that's not always the case, but that's just usually how the market goes if you're going based off market structure. So, yeah, hopefully this video helped you understand the market a little bit more. Comment below the videos you want to see and get in that group, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm calling signals this week as well. And I got trips and vlogs coming up, man. So, y'all about to be seeing a lot of content, man. So, holla at your boy. And God bless y'all, man. Let's get it.